Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake prismatic. We will explore the exciting world of edible art, transforming your cakes into dazzling, light-catching masterpieces. You will learn about the essential tools and ingredients needed to achieve a truly spectacular, rainbow-like effect. Get ready to elevate your baking skills and impress everyone with your vibrant, shimmering creations. To begin your prismatic cake journey, you will need a few key ingredients. Edible luster dusts, available in many vibrant colors, are essential for that metallic sheen. Food-grade glitter, especially iridescent varieties, will add incredible sparkle. A clear edible glaze can seal your design and boost its shine. Also, gather soft, fine-tipped brushes for precise application and a small amount of clear extract for mixing. Achieving a prismatic effect involves several techniques. For a soft shimmer, dry brush luster dust directly onto your cake's surface. To create an edible paint, mix 1 part luster dust with about 1/4 part clear lemon extract or vodka. Apply this mixture with a fine brush for detailed designs. Layering different iridescent colors can also build a beautiful, multi-dimensional rainbow effect. For the most dazzling prismatic results, always start with a very smooth, chilled cake surface. This provides the best canvas for your edible decorations. Work in a well-lit environment to truly appreciate the evolving shimmer and color. Apply your luster dusts and glitters with a light hand, building up the intensity gradually. Remember to allow each layer to dry completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, before adding the next for a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.